I got a package. Got some super fancy LED bulbs. If I were to take one of these 3157 LED bulbs and plug it into a stock taillight circuit board of a Trailblazer, when I hit the brake, it would blow the brake light fuse. And the reason is that the pinouts on this 3157 bulb do not match the 3157 socket of the Trailblazer. Now the way to get around that would be to buy what's called SRCK style LEDs. They're like $35 a pair, whereas I've got all 4 of these for $4. So this modification is going to have 2 purposes. It's going to give us the dual park circuit boards, but they're also going to be rewired to accommodate these non-SRCK bulbs. I did the quad parks on mine and they're still holding up well. This is just a project for another member of GMT Nation. I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. So, got my wiring diagram ready. And what I need now, I need more of these tabs right here. These 2 things right here. I need another pair of them. We're actually going to take a third Dorman board as the donor. We're going to rob some stuff out of this to use to build up these 2 boards. Pull these rubbers off. Ooh. Now this kind of sucks right here. Come on, motherfucker. There you go. Rascal. Sweet. The next part of this is going to be adding another pair of contacts in here, which we're going to rob out of this piece, and then we're going to reconfigure the pins. Alright, so here I have the first modified board next to a stock one if you were just to open it up. So what you can see is we've added 2 more tabs here and here. This will give us our dual parks in the circuit boards. Then we've done some little bit of reorienting what each pin does, and this was to accommodate the non-SRCK bulbs. I built this one, I fired it up, everything works great. I'm going to go ahead and build this one. These LEDs that I used just for testing purposes, they kind of suck. And the reason is that no matter if it's in bright or dim, everything on the face lights up. The difference in bright and dim is on how many of these LEDs inside the bulb light up. So I tried doing a little thing with the camera. It didn't really pick it up good. To the eye, I could see the reflector when it was on brake, be a little bit brighter than if the brake was released. See, I don't have the load resistor in for it, so it's going to have hyper flash. This is just to show that what you're seeing is the result of this particular LED, which honestly sucks, but you'll see the dim and bright difference in there.